What's up, Deadbeats? Dan Brock, the Deadbeat Super Affiliate here, and I just got a package from Amazon today. Literally just took 24 hours to get here, just a bunch of books and some other random business stuff. But what it did was inspire me, give me an idea for a affiliate marketing video to make. So this is what this video is about today. So I get a question is, which is the best affiliate network to be a member of or be an affiliate for? Usually the question is, which is better, Clickbank or Amazon.com? Now back in 2010, everyone was going for Clickbank. That's when I originally released my Deadbeat Super Affiliate system, where I introduced pretty much the internet marketing community to Amazon as an affiliate program. Now a lot of people overlooked Amazon because it only offered 7 or 8% commission. But there was a special tactic that I developed that allowed you to just go in and pick the right type of products to promote, where you'd actually be making the same exact amount of money, if not more, by promoting certain types of products on Amazon versus, the standard issue digital stuff on Clickbank.com. Nowadays though, I actually will go with a hybrid approach. Now what I do is I combine Amazon with Clickbank. So what I do for Amazon is I'll make content related to a specific product. For example, this camera that I'm using right now is a $1,500 Canon 70D DSLR. The reason why I picked this is because I went to Google and I typed in, what's the best camera for YouTube videos? I landed on someone's site, I don't remember who it was, but they had an article about this being the best camera. So I actually went and purchased my camera right here through their link on that site, which was actually an affiliate link. So they basically siphoned off the keyword that I typed in and, sold me on this camera, and I bought through their link. I'm fully aware that they're an affiliate, so I still bought it through them anyway. The point where I'm getting at is that for Amazon stuff, you want to target specific buyer keywords. Canon 70D DSLR camera review, or best camera for YouTube videos. So you'll have content on your site, you'll have multiple pieces of content on your site or YouTube videos or whatever it is, targeting those keywords. Then with the Clickbank products, these are better for, like say you're going after how to get, six-pack abs. With Clickbank products, you can target, how-to keywords, how to lose weight, how to get six-pack abs, etc., etc. So that would be a section on your site, how-to, informative articles or have videos on YouTube about that. The other half would be, specific products on Amazon that they can buy, like a Stairmaster or, weights or whatever it is that you want to promote. So you combine these two together on your site and you can basically reap the rewards of both. Not only that, but you can get more traffic and kind of cross promote each affiliate network. All right, with all that said, there's also one other resource that I always recommend, a site called offervault.com. All you do is go there, type into the search box your niche or whatever product that you're looking for to promote, and they'll show you all kinds of other affiliate networks outside of Amazon and Clickbank. There are a lot of other ways to make money as an affiliate without these two networks. These are the bigger ones, but there are dozens, if not hundreds, of other highly profitable affiliate networks out there that you can join. I know because I've used, I'm a member of 3 or 4 other ones that I make money from pretty regularly. All right, so I recommend that you also dig around there and try to come up and find some unique ideas on your own. That's the name of the game. Try to do things on your own. It might not work, but if it does, doing things on your own, you have a chance of it not being profitable or just not working at all. But when you do find that hidden gem, it's worth it because it'll pay off for many years to come, and you'll be able to fly right under the radar. All right, so if you want to learn more about how to actually set up an affiliate site, how to tap into keywords, and get commissions on Clickbank or Amazon, I do have a guide for you that I'm going to give away for free right here on this video. Just go to deadbeatuniversity.com/guide, or I'll put like a button right here that you can click to also access that guide. It is free for you right now, and it basically will walk you through the basics of affiliate marketing, getting traffic with SEO without actually having to do much of the work, and selling Amazon and Clickbank type products. All right, so you can get that guide now. Also, I recommend that you subscribe to my channel. There's going to be like a button that you can push here or here to subscribe. The reason why is that over the next week or two, I am going to be putting together a live affiliate case study where I'm going to build a brand new affiliate income stream from scratch and break it up over a series of YouTube videos so that you can follow along and replicate the process. What my goal is in this is to spend as little money as possible and do as little actual grunt work as possible. So I'm going to get other people to do a lot of the hard work for me, and you can see, and you'll be able, through this, be able to see how I kind of organize everything and manage the project so that it comes online and starts making money. Last but not least, if you have any friends or acquaintances interested in internet marketing or affiliate marketing, please share this video with them. I'm sure they're going to find some kind of value from it. Last but not least, did I just say that? Last but not least, comment below. If you have any questions about making money on Amazon or Clickbank, feel free to ask by commenting. Also, if you're making money with either of these networks, feel free to comment below and give us an idea of what you're doing. Of course, don't share your niche site or whatever. You can always, of course, keep that secret. But if you give us an idea of some things that are working for you, that'd be very, very sweet. All right, my name is Dan Brock, the Deadbeat Super Affiliate. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you around.